Hey there! Let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible beauty of a healthy ecosystem. It's like a masterpiece, carefully crafted with a perfect balance that keeps everything in harmony. From the tiniest insects to the mightiest predators, every living being has a role to play in this grand symphony of nature. Picture it: lush green forests teeming with life, crystal clear rivers flowing gracefully, and vibrant coral reefs bustling with colorful marine creatures. It's a sight that takes your breath away and fills your heart with awe. In this magical world, each living being has a purpose. The bees diligently buzz from flower to flower, pollinating and ensuring the growth of plants. The birds, with their melodious songs, spread seeds and help in the dispersal of plant life. Even the tiniest earthworms work tirelessly beneath the soil, aerating it and enriching it with nutrients. And let's not forget about the predators, the kings and queens of the ecosystem. They maintain the delicate balance by controlling the population of their prey, preventing any one species from overpowering the others. It's a dance of life and death, where every move is essential to maintain the equilibrium, but it's not just about the animals. Plants, too, have a crucial role to play. They provide us with oxygen, food, and shelter. They absorb harmful carbon dioxide and release life-giving oxygen, ensuring the air we breathe remains fresh and clean. Without them, our world would be a dull and lifeless place. So, next time you find yourself surrounded by nature, take a moment to appreciate the masterpiece of balance that is a healthy ecosystem. Marvel at the intricate web of life, where every living being, big or small, has a part to play. It's a reminder that we, too, are an integral part of this delicate harmony, and it's our responsibility to protect and preserve it for generations to come.